to Math Olympiad Tricks channel. Today we have a system of two equations. Xy squared is equal to 10 to the power 8 and x cubed over y is 10 to the power 10, and we need to find the pair of two numbers x and y. Let's find the solution together. But before we start, I kindly call for your support. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video to encourage me to continue making interesting video. And I would like to thank so much for people who have already subscribed the channel. Okay, let's work together. Let's call the first is the equation 1 and the second is equation 2. So we would like to square both sides the equation 2. So we'll say square both sides equation 2. Then we would have x cubed over y square it 10 to the power 10, and then we square it. This would give the equation we call x to the power 6 over y square it 10 to the power 20. This is if we have a to the power n to the power m. This is equal a to the power n times m. And if we have a over b to the power n, this is going to be a over the power n divided by b to the power n. Those are the rules we just use. And then we call the new equation here is equation 3. So I rewrite the equation 1. So the equation 1 is xy squared is equal to 10 to the power 8. This is equation 1. And now I would want to multiply equation 3 by the equation 1. So we say multiply equation 3 by equation 1. Then on the left side we would have x to the power 6 over y squared times xy squared, and on the right side we would have 10 to the power 20 times 10 to the power 8. On the left side y squared cancel, so we would have x to the power 6 times x, and on the right side we multiply, then we get 10 to the power 28. So this is if we have a to the power n times a to the power m, then we would have a to the power the sum of n and m. So on the left side we have x to the power the same rule. This is power 1, so we get 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 10 to the power 28. I want to rewrite the right side at 10 to the power 7 and to the power 4. This means the two sides with the same, this one I would make the power 4 and 7 outside. So this is my bad. The purpose is I make this one is 10 to the power 4 and to the power 7 outside. So we have the same power 7 here. This force the base gotta be equal, so x is equal 10 to the power 4. Okay, since x equal 10 to the power 4, I come back to the equation 2 to solve for y. So equation 2 we have x cubed over y is 10 to the power 10. That means from this one we solve for y, we get y is equal x cubed over 10 to the power 10. We replace x is equal 10 to the power 4, so this is 10 to the power 4, and we cube outside, then we get 10 to the power 10 in the denominator. So y is equal 10 to the power, this one is 4 times 3 is 12, over 10 to the power 10 is 10 squared. Y is equal 100. So the equation, the pair of x and y would be x is equal 10 to the power 4, which is xy is equal 10,000 and y is 100. So this is the solution to this equation, to the equation today. And hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you guys in the next video.